Hello dear friends, welcome to this new video. In this video we will learn how to write our next vowels A and A. So how we will write A and I. Our next vowels are A and A. But before that we will practice what we did in the last class. Oo and oo. So how we written oo? We just make a sleeping line and two half curves. And for oo, make oo first and then put a tail to it. It will become oo. Now let's move on to our new vowel A. How we will make it? First a standing line, then a slanting line, then a standing line parallel and join it in the middle and cover it with a shirorekha or sleeping line. It becomes A. Let's practice once more. A standing line, slanting line, a standing line and cover it from the middle. Then cover it with a sleeping line. You want to write one more time? Standing line, slanting line, standing line parallel, join it in the middle, then cover it with a sleeping line. It becomes A. A, ache. Standing line, slanting, parallel, cover. Okay, and now in order to write A, as you can see, we have to first make A and then a slanting line with a curve needs to be added. So make the vowel A first and then add a slanting line with a cover to make our next vowel I. Let's try writing I. A standing line, a slanting line, a standing line parallel, cover it from the middle, then a curve with a slanting line. It becomes I. This is how we write our next vowel. So let's try writing A and I together. A and I together. A, I, A, I, and if we have to write in the second line, what I told you, we write in alternate lines for a cleaner look. So if we have to write in the second line, we will write like this. A, I, A, I. So very good. These are our next vowels.